If you're suffering from dullness, lack of elasticity, you have clogged pores, your skin barrier is compromised, you name it, a little bit of everything, I'll be sharing 3 Heimish products that will give elasticity, brighten up your complexion, repair your skin barrier, and give those probiotics and antioxidant nutrients back to your skin. Annyeong! Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Belorraine. My name is Charlotte and welcome to my bathroom. So let's get started. Okay, the first product is the Heimish All Clean Balm. What it differentiates from other cleansing balms is their lid. As opposed to other cleansing balms to like take the cap off, and then it comes with its own spatula and you just scoop and apply. It's a very convenient type of cleansing balm that will take everything out, your heavy makeup, your SPF, has a very floral scent. It turns into 3 types of consistencies. First as the balm, and once you start, it becomes oil. As soon as you add water, it becomes like a milky consistency. After taking it off, it's like your skin is super baby soft and smooth and hydrated. So having a good, rich cleansing balm is crucial for your double cleansing, and I feel like Heimish is a staple cleansing balm that everyone should have. To the next product is all about treatment. I really like to do a treatment in the morning, whether that's like a clay mask or a sheet mask or a wash-off mask. Today, I'll do so. And this is the black tea mask pack. My first impression was, oh my god, it looks kind of like a pudding consistency. Earthy, but very subtle aromatic type of scent, so it's not overpowering. Moisturizing wash-off mask that also works for strengthening your skin elasticity. If you're looking for a mask pack that you want to use in the morning, have that cooling sensation in your face, and also helps any treatments for your wrinkles. My skin feels super hydrated. It is extremely soft. It is plumpy. I highly recommend it. And the third product, the Matcha Biome Intensive Repair Cream Probiotics Moisturizer. It's a very thick cream, so I feel like a little bit goes a long way. I am going to show you guys how it spreads out on my skin. It has a dual function of brightening and anti-wrinkle. You know, matcha is very well known for its high antioxidant. On top of that, it has probiotics. It will strengthen your skin barrier. So if your skin barrier is compromised, you're lacking moisture, you really want to have that rich moisturizer at the end of your skincare routine and just give you that suppleness and glowy, healthy glow after application. You also have another moisturizer that is a gel consistency. It's this one right over here, and I will also add all of the links of all of these 3 products on the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much, Heimish, for giving me these products for me to review and also to enjoy. I really love doing product review videos and also sharing it with my subscribers and my viewers. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Annyeong!